Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome up to Martyn Lucas Investor. How are you all this afternoon? Have you all had a good day? Have you had all a good day? We're like a 6-hour show today. Has there ever been a show in the history of the world like it? And I got so bloody cold, I put a jacket on. Do you like that? Do you like that? A little bit of a jacket on there this afternoon. I got fed up with being cold. I thought, sod this game. Bloody hell, I'm getting freezing cold, so I thought I'd sort it out. Anyway, here we go. Let's go for our positions. As you can see, we're up today, nearly 2%. It's looking good. The Roth IRA is going down. What's moving down? What is moving down here? We got NEE. We got midday. We got midday sell-offs now. Tesla, everything pumped this morning, and now it's all given up. That means it's all over, right? We've got to get rid of everything now. This is terrible. We can't be around much longer. All the high-tech stocks have sold off. Too expensive, as you can see. Microsoft has gone down, Google's gone down, and everything else. Coca-Cola has trimmed off a little bit, but nothing to be concerned about. The overall balance is 60,903, so we're still extremely strong. Not worried about that at all. And let's see where we are. Right. Let's go for all our positions. Short break for Martin. Hi, Henrik. Yeah, literally. I was like running around going, I've got to eat something. So I had some cereal and a latte. I had some cereal. Cereal is always good for you. Fortified with vitamins and iron. And now I'm having a bit of a latte. Anyway, it's all good. I'm loving it. Guess what? Is Cham here? Cham, you're going to be very happy with me. If Cham is here, he's going to be so delighted. He's going to be thinking, oh my God, that's amazing. I can't. Hang on a minute. I got a little bit on my keyboard. Hang on. I've got to sort this out. Something landed. That's better. What was all that about? Something landed on my keyboard. I got rid of it. Something. Anyway, I've sorted it. So is Cham here? I tell you what, he better add turn up, otherwise there's going to be hell up, because I've got his video done. Yeah, never in the history of the world would we see another show like that. That was funny, wasn't it? Today, we've had a laugh, haven't we? We've had a laugh. Poor old Mike. He's feeling so old now, dejected. He's the worst pizza maker in the world. It's just rubbish, isn't it? It's just rubbish. He's just thinking, I don't know why I bother sometimes. I don't even know why I get out of bed. That's what he's saying. I love it. Ooh. Right, okay. Virgin Galactic's going back up again. Oh, no. Did you all sell it today? Who sold it? Who sold it? Who sold it? Thought, I'll take profit. Oh, no. And Mike said, I'm selling it. I'm going to sell it at 226, he said, didn't he? Maybe I should do that. Should I do that? Take $3,000? It wouldn't be a bad idea, would it? Bloody hell. Bloody hell's right. Yes. Now then. Poor old Mike. You've got to feel sorry for him sometimes, don't you? He gets all the abuse on the show. He works so hard. I am not dead yet. I love it. Best show in the world. I'm not dead yet. Yep. True. Fair enough. It's fair enough. I'm not either, which is good. I would sell. Let's see if he does it. Apple, too expensive, going down. Next year, energy, trimming off a little bit. End phase, 101.60. I'm loving it. Coca-Cola, used as sources of funds today. Coca-Cola is giving away some profits. That's okay. J&J is going up, though. It's compensated for J&J, innit? So it doesn't matter, does it? Kenvue dropped a little bit. Chevron down a little bit. Tesla down a little bit. Martin, I know you have. I know what you've done. Henrik. Henrik from Denmark. I know what you've done. I know exactly what you've done. I put a screenshot from X about plug. My English isn't the best, so could you take a look at it? I will have a look at it. I was just looking at it a minute ago, and I was thinking, hello, there's a few things here that are going on this morning. I've got a friend request. Go to space. I keep getting this friend request. I'm not going to accept it until I know it's one of my members. Who is Go to SPCE? It has to be one of my YouTube members. If it's not, I can't do it. If that's you, come in the chat. Go to SPCE. All right. I only accept members, YouTube members, for the integrity and quality of the show. All right. So anyway, yes. Is it in links for YouTube? It should be links for you. I saw it a minute ago. You put it in general chit chat. You're supposed to put it in links. You're supposed to put it in links for YouTube. But don't worry, I'll read it. Don't worry about it. This was sent in by Henrik. And what it says here, this is from Plug. National hydrogen networks have operated under normal conditions for the past 2 weeks because hydrogen was hard to get hold of. And they said it was a temporary issue. And Plug said it's only going to be a temporary issue. And it looks like they've sorted it. National hydrogen networks have operated under normal conditions for the past 2 weeks. Plug foresees no future issues with smooth sailing ahead. Regular operations resume for national hydrogen networks. This is really, really good. And someone says, wow, I like this kind of communication. I like it. And we've got a couple of clowns again trying to ruin things, so we'll just take care of them. There you go. That's them gone. Remember, this happened in the past. You get people on what do you call it? Twitch, and they just try to get attention for themselves. It's happening again. So we just block it out, just turn it off. Right, so yes, that's good news. Potentially, that's good news. Thanks for sharing that with us. If you've just come in, go to space SPCE. Let me see if I can actually click on that. I can accept a message, a comment, a friend request, but I can message you. Here we go. I only can accept YouTube members. If you are, please confirm in YouTube chat. Okay, YouTube chat. There you go. So that's what I'll do. If I don't get a response from that person within a week or so, a few days, I'll delete it. Can't be messing around. Could be a really good person, but you just don't know, do you? You just don't know. Got to be careful. Got to protect the members. All right. Okay. Buy back in the dip. All right then. Just take your early profits if you think it will go further up. Just take your early profits if you think it will go further up. Yeah. Well, yeah. You do that. You can do that. It's very sensible. Nothing wrong with doing that. Mike, you do what you think's right, mate. He's thinking, now you're making me question myself. I was ready to sell this, and now you're making me think. I don't know what to do now for the best. I don't know what to do for the best. Right. Is Cham here? Is Cham? Don't see him yet. Virgin Galactic, going back up again. Palantir, too expensive. Gold, too expensive. S&P, too dear. Amazon, too dear. Apple, too dear. Too expensive. Oh, it's flat. Look at that round curve. Tailing off. That's interesting. Apple. Yeah, I think it's too dear. Looking at the numbers. NEE trimming off. I mean, think about it. Now you are guaranteed profit. I know. I know. It's true. I've made 41% profit, $2,700. You're absolutely right. Absolutely right. You've got $2,700 profit. My gosh, I mean, that would clear off half, like 20-30% of my margin. Boom, gone. With $3,000 in the bank. Bearing in mind, though, I'll pay 20% tax on that. So, I'll pay about $600 in tax. Short capital gains. Give you a little info on the shorters of Virgin Galactic. Can you give a little info on the shorters of Virgin Galactic? Can you give a little info? The short position is being decreased. There isn't as much short position as there was before. So we've had some shorters get squeezed, but we haven't had the full explosion yet. That's still to come. But the numbers of shorters has decreased, but it's still significant. Let me share with you. If we go to SPCE, there is still a significant amount of short interest here. Let's have a look. Scrolling on down. Scrolling. 20. Mike's going. I'm just waiting for Mike's response because I always get a response from Mike. 20.17. Still a lot of short interest. So, yeah, it's still a lot of short interest. It was 22. It's down to 20.17. But all this consistently going up, that must be really starting to hurt. Starting to hurt the shorters now. We'll be getting a little bit like, this is getting a bit painful now. I don't know. I don't like this. That's what will be happening right now. Anyway, rawhide. Yeah, there we go. I think everyone should do that. When I start scrolling, I should get everyone go, yeah. Be like one of those little, line dancing clubs, wasn't it? Anyway, Virgin Galactic, exactly as we expected, going into the power hour, we're going up. Now, if we break 227, then it will go up in the after hours, more than likely. More than likely, that's what it will do. Who sold out today? Who's thinking, what do I do now? They have just made a big deal with an American firm, Cargill. Who's that, Tenrick? Is that Plug? That's good news, right? Lovely. I just got the cream and the chocolate, on the top of the latte. Very nice, isn't it? And you can buy back some same amount of shares that Mike is like determined. Sell your bloody shares. Why don't you sell your shares with me? Make me feel better. I don't want to, Mike. You can't make me do it. You can't make me, Mike. It's my show. I'll do what I like. Chris C. Yes, I am. Chris C. So is Mike selling? Yes. Mike's getting out of it. Mike's had enough of this nonsense. He said, I've done with this. I'm done with it. Made 500 quid today. Quickly. In and out of GME. Taking 8 positions. Win rate 5 out of 8. That stock is awful for long-term investing. I ain't touching it. And I'm going anywhere near it. Jordan Allen, but I wish you the best. Mike, good luck, bud. Yeah. No, let's not wish him good luck. Let's not wish Mike good luck. Because Mike will spoil it. If Mike sells, everybody will sell. You know what's going to happen. They'll follow him like flipping lemmings over a tree. They'll go, hang on a minute. Lemmings over a tree? No, that ain't right, is it? Yeah, they'll all follow him. I know they will. Mike, it's your damn show, Mike. It is my show. And if I don't want to sell my shares, you can't make me. Dip buy, shaking weak hands, due to expiry move before close, V-shaped recovery possible. No negative news so far. Inflation cools, positive GDP till Friday Fed rate cut news, earnings season over. Matt Jr., I can't verify any of this information. He's not a member. We don't know who he is. Could be a robot. I don't know. Dip buy, shaking weak hands, due to expiry move before close, V-shaped recovery possible. No negative news so far. Inflation cools, positive GDP data till Friday Fed rate cuts news. Earnings season over. Okay. That's Matt Jr. Mate, how many hours you work in a day? I'm in the studio 12 hours a day. Yeah. And I'm researching afterwards. You live on YouTube? Am I live right now? What do you mean, am I live on YouTube? Of course I'm live on bloody YouTube. You're listening to me. How could I be talking to you if I'm not live? What's going on here? I'm confused. Why are you saying, am I live on YouTube? Of course I'm flipping live. How do you know this stream is live? Well, one of the clues is when I start speaking to you. That's one. Oh, gone postal. Here he is. Been waiting for him. This bloke here. This bloke here. Look, this is how you know it's live. See the little live button there, look. See, it says, if you click on it, live. It's got a red button. Live. This is live. Living and breathing. So I'm talking to you and everything. I'm live, yeah. I can't possibly do this not live. I don't think so anyway. Anyway, so here we go. Postal bill. Postal bill. Here we go. I am in the chat now. Good sir. Oh, hello. We got posh words here. Posh words from Raffle Snack. Okay, sir. Proving I am in Discord. Okay. Gone Postal. Is this you? I just need you to confirm. Is this you on Discord? You just got to go, yep. Or no, someone's pretending to me. Someone's pretending to be me. Don't let them in. One of those comments works. Whichever one. I'm either going to boot someone out or I'm going to go, yeah. I am wacky SOB from California. Silly old... I'm not... I am Rattles... Okay, right, you are. We've confirmed it. So the first thing I need to do is give you a nickname. I'm changing your name only on here, just so everybody knows who you are from YouTube, okay? You still got the name, same name. It's just same name on YouTube for us as far as a nickname. Gone Postal, right? That's how I know who you are. Otherwise, it's chaos here. Right, Gone Postal. I'm giving you a friend request. It will expire in 2 minutes. I will delete it if you don't accept it because I don't want you to get friend requesting the wrong person. All right, so make sure it's me. Okay, done that. And now I'm going to give you YouTube membership because you've got a membership and you are very important now. You can now access, you can call in live to the show, be on the show. You can see all the members only channel every morning, go into the breakfast bar, say hello to Mike. Mike runs the cafe. It's always Mike with his coffee and his rubbish pizzas. He's in there every morning. Stock news, let us know what to look at. What should I report on the show? Crypto news, ask the family. You want to know a question, ask the family. Suggestions, Martyn Lucas shouldn't do so many shows. I'm bored of it. You should put in there. So, I'll just delete it. I just won't read it. I'll just delete it. All the rest of it, all right? Okay, links for YouTube, things you want me to share on the show, whatever. That's it. Make sense? All good? Happy? Sorted? Fantastic. I'm glad about that. There's your stuff. So you are upgraded. And if you want to call into the show, bottom left-hand corner in broadcast, that's how you call into the show. Right, we're all done now. You're all upgraded. You've been upgraded. Mike, I'm buying back. Are you? I'm selling with you, Mike. Just kidding. I just want to annoy Martyn. It doesn't annoy me. I don't care what you do. Just say GameStop to the moon. That'll do it. Yeah, that'll do it. MSK. But why not sell and buy back dip? He's trying to convince you now. He's going round the houses. He blows his top. Yes, I do. Sir, proving I am in Discord. Yep, we've done that. I'm Martyn and viewers. We've done that. We've done all that. It isn't live. He used his crystal ball and knew you'd ask it. He knew he'd ask it in the live show. That's right. Not really live. I just knew what you were going to say. Keep losing trading financials. Keep losing trading financials. PayPal so far also seems like Tesla is down. So is Rivian. Also, if Nvidia is down, so are the other AI plays. Listen, PayPal. Keep telling people, don't buy PayPal. And SoFi, the flipping CEO, talks rubbish. We've shown you time and time again. Time and time again. Funny enough, I saw Nufo earlier. Have not seen him in a bit, but remember him from another stock channel. He knows me as well. Does he? Everyone knows you apparently, yeah? That's it. We got someone very famous in here. Gone Postal. He is known by Nufo from another channel. What channel's that then? I want to know what channel that is. My worst space position is 214, Mike. I just don't see it going much lower at this point. No, nor do I. Mike's Pizza. Mike's Pizzas alone. Leave Mike's Pizzas alone. MSK. It went down to 212 today. Right? So Mike's all getting scared now. LOL, 2 cents, Mike. Damn old pizza was ugly, but good. Was it? We'll take your word for that, Mike. No, I meant he lives on YouTube because he's always on here. Well, yeah. Yeah. But anyway, that being said, oh, hang on a minute. I got a message here. Thank you. Wave to Raphael. There you go. We are friends now. That's done. Great. That's done. Pending. What's this? Yeah, go to space. I can't accept you're a friend request until I know you're a YouTube member. I ain't doing it. No, just Nufo knows me. Bulldog Trading. I stumbled there in 2021 when I first got into the market, and they have been awesome. Don't come on here telling me how good Bulldog Trading is. He says they've been awesome. Come on, everybody. What's the best channel in the world? Bulldog Trading. To be honest, I've never even seen it. I don't know. I can't comment. Right, anyway, getting back to the business in hand. Cham, I need to see if Cham's here. If Cham misses this, it's going to be, is Cham here? SPCE. Where is it? SPCE, you can retire. Ramen, only sell virgin gold at $5. Therefore, it's not worth selling for less than $5. Ramen says, I'm not selling it for less than $5. Okay. Palantir, gold, the S&P going down, Amazon going down, Apple going down, all the tech stocks going down, Enphase, it's still up, there we go, Coca-Cola being trimmed off. What happened with Man United tonight, lads? I don't know, I didn't see what happened. J&J's holding my portfolio up, very nice. Kenview, good. Chevron taking a bit of a dip. All right, okay. That's a shame. I was nearly out of them. I was nearly out there. That's a bit of a shame. I'm only going to make like $12. All this for $12. Mike, why are you doing it? Can you review SoFi? Happy to wait on your list. Grippy wants me. Are you a member, Grippy? Grippy's going, you know I'm a member. I just became a member yesterday. I became a member just for this thing. And now you're not even. Oh, he's going, right, yes, I can. Grippy, I shall put you on the list. Here we go. Grippy. Okay, here we go. That's a good name, that. I like it. Grippy wants SoFi. Do a review on SoFi. Yes, you are on the list. I've just written it down, Grippy. I'm only going to make $12. All this for $12. Why are we spending so much time talking to Mike? Their keeper, Andre Honor is jokes. Chris Pickering. Andre Honor is jokes. I like that. Okay. We got half an hour to go. Now then. Let me check something. Let me check, because we've got a premiere tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, you're going to like this. We have got a premiere coming out this evening. And it's going to be really great. You're going to love it. So it's the tech analysis. Thank you, sir. You're very welcome. Now I'm adding Arabic. This is how I do this now. Arabic, Chinese, Dutch. You can't see. This is how I do this. Look, little insight how I have to do things. Right, Dutch, Chinese. Then I put French. French, like this. Then German. Then Hindi. These are the people that watch my show around the world in different time zones. Hindi, Italian. Can you see what I'm doing there? It's a bit small, isn't it? Japanese. This is the review coming out tonight. Korean. I don't get a chance to do it when I'm off air because I'm always on air now. Portuguese, it's your fault. Portuguese. Russian. This is my audience, folks. Can you believe it? It's like the United Nations in here. Spanish. and Turkish. This is my audience around the world. Put it all in. And then what I do, look, is I go like this. I translate it. And I've got to do this. If I leave this now, it'll forget it and I have to start all over again. So just bear with me, 10 seconds. You're seeing it all happen. And this software I use is exclusive to me. I'm the only person who's got it in the world. No one else can have it. Right? No one else. People have tried. They've rung up YouTube and says, can I have the auto translate button? They go, no, you can't have it. You're not as important as Martyn Lucas. He's the only one who's allowed it. Mr. Beast tried to get it once and they said no to him. So the Hindi's the one. They always say no to Hindi, but I always get it. Right? So once I've done that, couple more, I'll come right back to you in a second. But if I don't do this now, this show, when it premieres in 45 minutes, will not be available in other languages. And my members will be very upset. They'll go, oi, you, I pay $2 a month to have thousands of hours of video in my language done for me. Because some of these languages, it's like one person. Doesn't matter. I still do it. There's probably one person in India who watches me and who expects their video done. But I still do it. Because one day, it won't be one person. It'll be a million. And it'll be the same work for 1 million as it is for one. So I might as well get used to it. Right. There we go. I think that's done. Back to the stocks. Okay. There you go. So we're going to be there in a minute. Now then, shall we just have a quick look and see how we're doing today on Kick? I've now got, I can't believe you guys let me down on this. I wanted 75 followers. I got flipping 8. There's no one even watching me. There's no one even watching. Everyone's going, we don't care. We're watching you on YouTube. Why do you keep mentioning it? I go, well, because this is the way it is. Right? There's people watching me on Rumble. Look. What about Facebook? Anybody there today? Let's have a quick look. And X account as well. And then we got a very important video coming out from Sensei Crypto regarding Virgin Galactic's chart. So you want to watch out for that. Let me close that down. That's any questions on Facebook? No, we're all good there. Oh, hello. That's good. That's good. Right. Let's have a look. MSK. I can post a screenshot of all my space position on Discord if you want, but you'll probably hate me. MSK, no matter, wish you the best, but you can post it if you want. That's nice. Mike, MSK, you've had permission to post your trades. Not from me, from Mike. Mike has said you've got permission. I like it. You probably have more than Mr. Kahine. Yes, there we go. Mohammed Kahine. Can you translate one of the videos into Geordie for me? No, it's not on there. You got English. That's all you're getting. To be fair, Kick sent me an email to say you were live, which made me switch on YouTube. Hey, there you go. Chris, that works for me. That works for me. So it's a useful service. Listen here, Chris, see? If you flipping well, look, let me show you. I bet you haven't done this. People don't pay attention. I tell people all the time. They don't listen. Listen, this is what you do, right? Watch. You can check it now. Click on subscribe to my channel. Click unsubscribe just for a moment. Click on that. Is the bell selected? If the bell's not selected, you might have it on none. Put it on all. See? Do that. Put it on all, and then you'll be notified of when I go live. Very, very easy. That's how you do it. And then what you do is you go into the app and make sure notifications turned on in your iPhone or Android or whatever it is, and you'll be notified, and everything will be good in the world. That's why you don't know when I'm live. If you click the notification bell, turned it on, YouTube will email you and say, Martyn Lucas is live. You won't need to rely on Kick telling you that I'm on live on YouTube. You don't need to do that, all right? Okay. Nobody can hold as many shares as Mo. Nobody, because whatever you say, he'll have more. Good afternoon, everyone. Here he is, Ed Nevius.
I enjoy this so much. I'm on a lot of teams, and your content and your energy and your music, I love it. So I'm glad to be here. I love your content. I love your music. I love your broadcast. I'm so happy to be here. So
there you go. He's happy to be here. That is, of course, Ed Nevius, who's in the chat right now, live on the show. Let's have a little look down here. Let me check a couple of things. I've got a message here from Raffle Snack. For your information, not here to try and sell any Bulldog trading. They were the first. I like this. Don't you worry about it, Raffle Snack. I'm only joking. They were the first I found that was live all of the time. Still talk to those folks all of the time. Just so happened to see your channel showing live. Never saw your show before. Glad I found it. Always looking for help in the market, and you are very fun to watch. Thank you for doing it. I know it's hard work, sir. No worries at all. It's my absolute pleasure. My pleasure. And you can promote the Bulldog team as much as you like. In fact, if you message them, I'll have them on the show. I'll get everyone to subscribe to them. They can call in. They can, absolutely right. More than happy. More than happy. Don't mind that. Don't mind that at all. There's love. There's all the love you need to go around. Right, okay. Portfolio's going back up again into the close. Kick is good backup though. The thing is, this is do you know what our backup is? The most important thing, and I'm going to tell everybody this because not everyone realizes this. When I started my YouTube channel, I lost my channel 3 times. 3 times. Disappeared. They shut it down. All sorts of issues when I started off. This is why I have my newsletter. The newsletter is the most important thing you can subscribe to for free. It's completely free. Everyone should do this, right? It's not, I mean, I don't email that much. I don't email you like maybe once, twice a month. I don't email you that much, just when it's really important news, right? For competitions, giveaways, stuff like that, whatever. But you can sign up for my I've just given you the link in the chat, martynlucas.com. You put your email in here. You can put your name and your birthday if you want to personalize it, and then you can get my email. Now it will send you an email straight away. Make sure that you've seen it so you know it's whitelisted. It's not in your junk folder. And then the point is, if I ever lost my channel, if something ever happened to me, I was ill or I died or anything, Leah can message the newsletter. So you'll all know what's happened, where I've gone, Otherwise, you'll never know. If one day I don't go live, you will never know. This is the only way to communicate in a reliable fashion. So everyone should subscribe to my newsletter. And if you've not received a newsletter for a month or so, it's because you've been taken off the list. Because if you don't open any of the last 5, you'll be deleted. So you can resubscribe at any point. But if you've not done that, that's why you won't. That's why you might not have received any emails. There's all my links to all my socials down the center of the page as well. If you're going to have a look at that, all right. That's my backup. But it's also very important to be on other platforms. Of course, it is. Is the new CEO of Disney was kind of cleaning up the mess of the. Yes. The previous CEO of Disney was terrible. The new CEO did a much better job. However, I'm not in Disney right now. Mike. Again, all thanks goes to Martyn Lucas Investor. I wouldn't have known about space if it wasn't for this channel. MSK, I agree 100%. After space, what do you think will be the next milestone stock? Well, Rocket Lab is very interesting. We looked at Luna yesterday. That looked interesting as well. I'd like to be able to buy Starlink. That IPOs. Anyway. The market's on the right track. We're going to win, says Tio Roll. Space isn't 227 or greater like you stated. Get it together, Martin. I hear trolls already. Yeah, get it together. Oh, yes, they're going to go. It didn't break two. Hang on a minute. The person who said 227 wasn't me. It was Jojo S. Don't link me in with that nonsense. Don't you get me involved. He was the one who said the magic number. I don't do any of that magic number nonsense. He said it. I'll throw him under the bus. He's the one who said it, not me. Don't get me involved. I posted my space positions on Discord as promised. I saw it. This is MSK's positions on SPC. Do you all want to see it? Here we go. Look at this. Now, this is what we talk about when we talk about lot selling. They are individual, so he can close, open and close different positions. So he can buy here, he can sell this for a profit, and so on. This is what's called lot selling. Robinhood doesn't do that. It's more for long-term investing. However, they are moving into this sector as well, and they're going to do a great job at it, I'm sure. But anyway, that hasn't happened yet. That's around the corner. Anyway. Very, very good. Zed Hink, look at this. Rivian's driving around their trucks. Very, very good. I bought myself some Rivian, as you know. Rivian's doing quite well right now. I think it's gone down with Tesla, hasn't it, today? Yeah, it's gone back down. But I'm still up 4%, see? Doesn't matter. I was down 40% on this one, and I bought it and lowered my average, and then now I'm up. So I'm very happy with that. All right, you stated it would be higher at the end of close. Yeah, potentially. I don't know if it's going to go up higher or not, but I think it will. Yeah, I think it will go up in the after hours. That's what I think is going to happen. We shall see. We shall see if I'm right or not. If it's not, it's not. Okay. Now then. Excuse me, I got something on my lip. There we go. Right, I've got a premiere starting in a minute. Cham, I really hope Cham comes in. We've done his video for him. Cham, he's not here. Oh well, nothing I can do about it. We've got a. Let me set it up now. At the end of this video. At the end of this video, we're going into a premiere of the tech stock analysis. We did it this morning, but it's now been edited and tidied up and enhanced and made really good. And we've been doing this each night, and I want to sincerely thank you for watching these premieres, because when everyone watches it after the show, it really does. The golden hour, it's the first hour. Everyone's commenting and sharing and liking. It really helps the video. And then it grows really, really well. So we're going to go. This is the review, tech review. And it was done for Sham. So I'd like you all to support it if you can. But the beauty of it is it keeps everybody together in the chat. We're all in the chat, having a conversation about the day and whatever. And it's really, really nice to keep the chat going, just letting it run. So that's coming up straight at the end of today's show. So there you go. Just getting ready now. I'm hoping that we're going to get a bounce into the close and Virgin Galactic continue its rise. I'm still up though today. Not too worried too much about it. That it's fallen back a bit. I think all the main stocks like Amazon and the S&P are all overbought. They're all too heavy and too hot. So I'm happy they're going down. But my end phase has stayed up. My Coca-Cola is going down because it's being used as a source of funds. But again, still up 5.5%. I'm not concerned about that. Kenview, Chevron. Had a funny noise then in the studio. Rivian trimmed off a bit. McDonald's trimmed off a bit. Google. See, that's too expensive. That needs to come down 10%, and I hope it does. I'd love to buy some Google again. Maybe $5,000, something like that. Yeah. Robinhood stayed up. IonQ's too dear. Rocket Lab, that's fine. Plug Power, that stayed up as well. That's good. Once that news from their Twitter, the X account goes around, that'll lift that up even further. Rio Tinto down today. Bitcoin down 1%. Yeah, it's no major issues at all. We're all good. Okay, so we've got 20 minutes to go. If you wouldn't mind, because it's going out, I need to. I think I can do this without interfering too much with you guys. I've now got to add all the captions in all those 14 languages. So it's I've just processed it. Let me just upload it now. Hopefully it won't show on the screen. There you go. Sometimes you have to check the spelling of things. Tech resources. I hope Cham joins us. It'd be great. Anyway. And now what I do is auto-translate from my English SRT file all the different languages that I've just put in a moment ago for the titles and description. And then when it comes out, those around the world that want to watch it in their own languages can. That's the point of it all. It's a new thing that I'm doing for everybody. Some of these languages only have like one person. But I still feel that if we're going to be a global brand, we need to think of every single person. All right? Just bear with me a second and we'll go through the stocks and see what news is breaking, answer any more questions, and then we'll all move over to the premiere. Now, Sensei has done me a video, a chart for you, those of you who are concerned about Virgin Galactic now, and where you see it going. He's done me a chart, which is very, very important. The chart will tell us his take on the support levels and so on and so forth for Virgin Galactic. I'm working on that now. Hopefully, get that out as soon as possible. Obviously, it has to come out quickly. Right. Okay, we've done that now. Good. So, we are starting to get a bounce into the close. Let me share with you my overall position. Building some support here. The Roth IRA is still going down. What is driving me down so much on the Roth? It's my Coca-Cola, because that is a big part of my portfolio. You can see there, look, Coca-Cola is down 0.73. It's taken a big chunk out at the minute. And that could easily come back in again. It's being used now as source of the funds. But what it will do, it will be replaced by new buyers who want to get in with the discounts on Coca-Cola today. Doesn't the stock market close in 15 minutes? No, it closes in fact, my account doesn't close at all. I have 24-hour trading. I can trade all through the night. So the bell goes in 15 minutes on the New York Stock Exchange. Then there is 2 hours of after hours. 3 hours of after hours, all the way to 7 p.m. Central Time, 8 p.m. Eastern. That's the after hours. Less liquidity, less volume, but it still trades. And then we go into the overnight hours until tomorrow morning at 6 o'clock. And then we're in the pre-market again. And that is for institutions and those that have access to 24-hour trading. I do, and anybody does who uses Robinhood. We can access 24 hours a day. So, yes, even though the bell rings in 15 minutes, the stocks never stop trading. Institutions and those that run the companies can buy in and dump stocks 24 hours a day from 7 p.m. Central Time, 8 p.m. Eastern Time Sunday, to 7 p.m. Central, 8 p.m. Eastern Time, Friday. All right? Absolutely right. Zigman867, welcome to you. I like your image there. Reminds me a bit of Crash Test Dummies. Yes, anyway. Hit the like button. Yes, it's rubbish. I haven't. I think everyone's waiting now. Everyone's waiting for me to mention it, aren't they? Right. Yeah, I think that's what's happening. Let's do it. Let's have some fun. Only 50% of you are signed in, so let's do it. Ready? Let's show you the thing. Let's show you the thing. You know what I mean by the thing, right? Everyone knows what I mean by the thing. 46 watching. I'm asking you to like the video so it shares it out and you'll be recommending my content. If you don't like my content, hit the down like button. So 46, let's round it up to 50. So 25 will be 50%. We're already on 28. So the best we're going to get is 30 because only 50% are signed in. We're on 28. Everybody smash the like button. If you don't like the content, hit the down like button and you'll never see me again. I won't ever be able to annoy you again. And that's fine. I don't mind. I just want you to be happy and the best content for you. So please vote either up like or down like, but do something. All right. We had a comment here. Should I invest or trading to grow money? It's a combination of both, Zygmunt867. There we go. Let me answer this question for Zygmunt. Very important question, that. There we go. That was great. Brilliant. Everybody was brilliant. 32. There we go. Smashed it. I want to answer that question. Chris C., how popular do you think Robinhood will be in the UK? I don't really see a big investing trading market here. It'll be huge because of me, because I'm going to tell everybody in England about it. So don't you worry about that. Can you trade space and high-risk stocks, or is it just the big stocks? It's all the stocks. Currently, it's not Virgin Galactic, not because it's small or volatile or high risk. They're just rolling them out one by one. So every week or so, there's more. But yeah, they're all coming online. But there are some high-risk stocks, low-risk stocks. Everything's in there. Tesla's in there. Rivian's in there. Coca-Cola's in there. J&J, the S&P 500. There's loads in there. Some small caps, mega caps are all in there. Should I invest or trading to grow money? I'm going to... Zygmunt, I can't answer the question straight off the bat because it's a very complex subject, but I will tell you, I aim to be the most honest person on YouTube TV. I'm here to help people. I'm not here to sell. There's no training programs that you can sign up for. I'm not selling you anything. I'm not even selling you videos, quite honestly. I go live all the time. If I want to sell videos, I just make videos and do a half an hour a day. This morning, we did like a 5.5 hour show because people were having fun. We were answering questions. I will just share with you this is my real trades, my real positions. I share with you my bank account, my bank balance. This is my bank account. I have about $10 in the Bank of America. It's all in here. I use a Robinhood credit card. The credit card's on its way. I've got the bank card already. It came last week. Right? This is my bank. All right? Robinhood. I use Robinhood as my bank. This is all the money I have in the world. And I've grown from $5,000, and you can see how much money I've got now. 60,500 and 600 now. 60,623. This is my real money. 2.5 years. We've learned together. We learn from each other. People say they learn from me. I learn more from you. I learn more from you because I'm looking at everyone's trades, everyone's emotions, everyone's opinions, and formulating my best approach to the stock market. That's what I'm doing. All right. So I can't tell you what the right thing to do is. I'm not selling you any training programs or anything. All I can do is we discuss together every day and we learn together every day. It's why we're live every day. And there's a time to trade and there's a time to long-term invest. Overall, I'm an investor. I'm a long-term investor. That doesn't mean to say I won't scalp trade. I've scalp trade many, many times, taken profits off the top, taken some, done some swing trades. Every part is the right thing to do at the right time. And here on the show, we debate, we discuss, we share news, information. I make relationships on your behalf with people at the company. You know, I have friends in all the companies that I invest in. I talk to people all the time. I know what's going on. I share with you the most sophisticated algorithmic software using this. For example, my reviews, let's take SPCE, for example. This is the most advanced software to do analysis on stocks. As you can see, balance sheet, who's buying, who's selling, the short interest, and so on, profitability scores, solvency scores. We give you the information for you to make your own informed choices. I'll also share with you the short interest, who's short in the stock. Virgin Galactic is 20%. And my reviews are so respected by this company, Alpha Spread, right? They put them in priority over Yahoo, Bloomberg. You see all my reports? CNBC. Now, some of you will say, oh yeah, but it's date order, so yours are at the top. No, that is true. However, they are cherry picked. They don't put every single report, but they do put all of mine. There was the news. There was the earnings. There was the breaking news. There was Michael's, the letter we wrote to the Virgin Galactic. So my reviews make it on here. So they're on here because it's real, it's honest, it's totally transparent. That's what we're doing. And I want you to say to me, as my members do, it's why 98% of my members, why 98% of our live viewers are actually members. The highest engagement rate of any channel on YouTube. And go and check that, even more than Mr. Beast. The reason for that is people like and support the channel because it is real. It is honest. You find the real information, not the hype. If you go and watch CNBC, as I did once, I still do because I tried to see what's being told that is inaccurate. I remember when they told me, they suggested it was the right time to buy oil. It was the worst time to buy oil. It was the best time for the TV show, best time for Jim Cramer, and the best time for those analysts who wanted to pump the stock. It was awful. It was rubbish. They were all getting out of it at the time because the moment I bought it, it consistently went down because they're not honest. TV shows aren't honest. We aim to be the most honest channel on YouTube TV. That's what it's all about. So should you invest or trade to grow money? You need to invest firstly in your education and yourself and your emotions. Get yourself in a position where you can afford to be investing, and you shouldn't be investing if you've got huge mortgage, huge debts. You don't use the stock market to make money to get out of debt. You work, you get out of debt, then you start to invest. That's what I did. I have no car loan, no mortgage, no credit cards, no expenses at all. Everything's now free, near enough. And I commit to this show and commit one thing, focus. And so there you go. So I hope that helps as an introduction to what we're doing. Do they get much movement overnight or only on news? No, they get big movement. Craig, it's the way I use it is I set limit orders. 3 o'clock in the morning, 20% discount on Amazon. Just put a limit order in. If someone announces some big news, if you already know that you want Amazon and you want it and you would buy it at 20% discount, and during the night some big whale dumps millions of shares of Amazon, that can happen. So you set a buy order for 20% discount at 2 o'clock in the morning, 3 o'clock in the morning, 4 o'clock in the morning. And it happens. I've done it. It's very, very useful. But don't sit up. What you mustn't do is sit up watching it, because then your life's going to be very unhealthy. All right? Smash the like, Matthew Kelly. How are you, Matthew Kelly? Inbound. He's one of those people who just constantly say everything's rubbish. He lives in a little black hole. There he is. I let him talk. I let him say. SoFi taking crypto off their platform. Red flags. Inbound is always saying we're getting margined every 5 minutes. I don't know. But anyway, SoFi is rubbish. I've said SoFi is rubbish. I'm not touching it. Will the Tesla stock grow due to the Tesla Cybertruck release tomorrow? Yes, in the long term, and no in the short term. Why? First of all, buy the rumors, sell the news. What we've got right now, we've got Tesla going down because it ramped up the last couple of days. People taking profits to buy it back down lower. The Tesla Cybertruck is being released and it's a great rolling commercial. However, until it ramps up, the big investors aren't going to buy more because it won't make any money bottom line, because it's only producing a few. Next year, when it ramps up, the profits of Tesla will go up, the share price will go up. So what do you do in the meantime? You look for the discounts. So I'm not buying Tesla when it goes up. I already own it. There's my position, and I'm up 6.86%. And it might go down in the short term. Have a bit of a rally on the moment it happens, perhaps, but it will go sideways because a lot of people aren't buying Tesla this quarter because of the new incentives next year. So this can be a bad quarter. The Tesla Cybertruck is a good commercial. So what you do in this period, you dig the ditches. You stay in the stock, in my opinion, and you buy the dips if they come. But when I say buy the dips, I don't mean like a lot of YouTubers buy the dip when it goes down 1%. I buy it when it goes down below my lowest ever price because I'm already in. I'm not buying the stock, I'm buying the company. So if my company, which is the way I see it, goes lower than I've ever paid before, in my case, I think it was 110 for Tesla, I would buy hundreds of shares of Tesla because I'll go all in. This is what I did with J&J, which is what I did with Coca-Cola, which is what I did with Virgin Galactic. When it gets to the bottom, I pile it in. I buy it all. I go, 10,000, whatever. So, and that's all in for me. For a gazillionaire, it's nothing. To me, it's all in. Anyway, I hope that answers your question. Zygmunt, no one knows. It's 50-50. Could be a sell the news event too. Could be. I made $20 in Tesla for the last 3 days. Congratulations, by the way. I love when someone says I made $20 or whatever. Some people here have large accounts. We've got some of the largest. In fact, we represent 95% of the world's retail investors of Virgin Galactic. Guys with hundreds of thousands of shares of Virgin Galactic. We represent it. They watch the show. And some people have millions and some people have $20. Everyone is exactly the same. If you're up 10%, you're up 10%. Doesn't matter whether it's $1 or $1 million. Makes no difference whatsoever. Congratulations to you. Who is Mr. Beast? Mr. Beast is one of the biggest YouTubers in the world. Mr. Beast is a famous YouTuber in America. Great guy. He is. But I have a higher engagement rate when it comes to live viewers who are members than Mr. Beast. Meet Kevin, BitBoy, CNBC, Bloomberg, Yahoo Finance, every single one of them. I have a higher engagement rate than that. I am 18, no debt. I have $6,000 to my name, and I want to grow that to much more when I'm 30. Zygmunt, perfect. You are starting at the right time. If you become a member of my channel, I will answer all your questions. I will help you. I will answer every question with a video for you. I will study for you. I will do the research for you. I will listen to you. I will give you a voice. Yeah, become a member of my channel. Join the 98% who are members, and I'm here to help and support you. Here we go. This is not to make me rich. Doesn't make a difference to me whether you're a member or not. It's just that we have members-only videos, members-only live perks, and lots of things that you get. You get 20 times back what you put in as a member. Here we go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. The bell has now gone. You can sponsor the bell for a $20 super chat. Have your name on the bell. Okay, never mind. Never heard of him. Yeah, that don't matter. He's not heard of you either, so don't worry about that. I've no debts at all too. Mortgage free. Own my own business. Comfortable to invest every month. Payday tomorrow, but can't see anything to invest in apart from Robinhood. I agree. You shouldn't be buying anything now. You should be holding cash. You should already be in Buckaroony. I am right with you 1,000%. Right. I said Virgin Galactic would go up in the after hours. My portfolio is going up in the after hours. As you can see, I'm at 1.51. It's going up. And Virgin Galactic hasn't moved yet in the after hours. Let's see which direction it goes. Palantir is going down. It's too dear. Gold is too expensive. S&P is too expensive. Amazon is too expensive. Apple is too expensive. NEE is going up. My solar's going up in the after hours. Enphase is going up. I bought it at 70, down from 150. That's good. Coca-Cola is now going back up again. The day is over. J&J has continued rising today. Great. Chevron, it popped there for a second. Tesla is down at the moment. Rivian is down, but I'm still up 4.5%. Brilliant. McDonald's is good. Google, too expensive. Microsoft, too expensive. Google's the better buy, though. Walmart is too expensive. Tesco, too expensive. Tilray, rubbish. I'm out of it. Robinhood, 4 to 6x. No question about it. I'm holding it. IonQ, too expensive. Rocket Lab, it will double. Plug, 2x or 3x. Procter & Gamble, too dear. Rumble, rubbish. Funware, I'm out of it. FFIE, it's a moon bag. It's just a lottery ticket. Rio Tinto, when the cycle comes down, I'll buy back in again. And talk about the cycle. Where are we on the cycle? Yeah, it's too high at the moment. Yeah, you buy it down here. You buy it on the bottom of the cycle. Commodity price is moving down. Bitcoin today. There's my Bitcoin. Our crypto challenge with Sensei Crypto is doing very, very well. This is our crypto challenge. We put $1,000 in and we've doubled our money. And what's really impressive, unlike all the crypto channels, we still hold 605 in cash. We did all of that with just $400, 2,131. Phenomenal. We've got a very, very safe, secure portfolio. We're not going down. We have Bitcoin at 15,000. We have XRP at 33. We are very, very conservative and thought out about our crypto challenge. We don't just buy and pump and dump rubbish. Let's have a look. Anything new with Shot? Nothing new with Shot. They never responded. The company are not responding to anything. They're not providing any information. We found out they don't have the patent they said they did. I can't touch it. Of course, those on Reddit and StockWits tell me I'm crazy. But because I've missed out on some pump, well, there's pump every day on rubbish. I'm not going to join in the pump, though. I'm not a gambler. I'm an investor. And at the end of the day, we've checked. We sent Stephen Lewandowski. He's going to the offices. I've had no reply via email, no reply via phone calls. We can't verify that they have the patent they said they do. So I'm very sorry. I cannot buy a company like that. So that's it. That's where we are right now. If they respond to me and let us know, then we'll gladly discuss with them. But we can't invest in something like that. What's your opinion on GameStop? 7 more days before earnings. Thank you. JM, it's purely a gamble stock. I don't gamble. I'm not interested in GameStop. I'm looking for great companies. I'm not a stock trader. I trade, I scalp trade, I invest, but I'm looking to buy great companies. There's nothing great about GameStop. Nothing great about GameStop. I believe we're doing a review on it soon. Did someone book in a review on GameStop? I think someone booked a review, didn't they? Let's have a look. GME, did someone book it in? No one did. No one booked a review on it. But I review all the stocks for my members, but no one booked in a review yet. I thought they did. Okay. There's no review yet. Okay. Tesla to all-time high. Maybe not today, maybe tomorrow, but the day will come. Well, yeah. Yeah. GM, Martin hates GME. Yes. I'm up 25% on Tesla. Very happy. Hold the bag, says Valentine C. This was the guy this morning who said he made $250,000 on a couple of stocks, which we calculated would be impossible. So, do what you like there. I don't think Mr. Beast goes live, to be fair. Yes, he does. It's gone live loads of times. What are you on about? Mr. Beast has gone live loads of times because I make sure I watch and see what he's doing. So yes, he has gone live. Smitzy, thanks for pumping Robinhood. We don't pump any stock. That's not what we do. We're not big enough, and even if we did, if we were big enough, it would make no difference whatsoever. So no, we don't pump any stock. We do share the facts though. Another green day to listen to your show. You stream every day, every single trading day for 2.5 years, up to 10 hours a day. Yes, I'm live all the time. I am on. Let me share with you, Zygmunt. I am live every single day. I'm live right now. There I am on Kick. That's me on Kick. That's me on Rumble. Live right now. Live on Facebook, my page, live right now. Live on X account, live right now. Live on my website, live on Twitch, all the time. 24 every day. We're soon going to go 24 hours a day with a new service that I'm building at the moment. I've been saying for a long time, but I am actually still working on it. Now then, let me do a couple of things to change a couple of things. Let me do this. Here we go. Riot, M-A-R-A. What about Riot, Mara? Pith, Martin. I don't know what that means. P-Y-T-H, Martin. I don't know what that means. So if I follow every day, what you do, I can make money from following what you do every day. No, you don't follow me. No. Anyone who tells you to follow them is just trying to sell videos. You don't follow me at all. I provide information. I study the stocks. I review stocks. I read balance sheets. I'm an investor. I provide you with information. You then study yourself, talk to the team on Discord, be part of the family and learn. But no, you don't follow me. And even though my members are here every single day, we watch every day, we're together every day, you don't follow me. That's not what you do. You learn from all of us what is right for you. Anyway, who was that you don't want to buy? Who was that you don't want to buy? I wouldn't buy GameStop. No reply yet. I want to test shot. Exactly. There is no reply. There's no answer on the phones. Some of the emails are false, but yet people just keep buying it. Well, good luck to those people. I'm not interested in that. GameStop is dead. Took liquidity out of it. GameStop or GameStop. Sigmund, I personally made quite a lot of profit since listening to Martyn's recommendations, said Zaxay. Says MSK. I've been working on replacing a full roof all day, turning the roof to the office best way, and listening to you, Zaxay. I love it. Not fluke, follow you, I mean, like follow your footsteps, buying same stocks, but still listening. I can't suggest you do that. I'm trying to be responsible. I'm trying to be honest and real here and help you. I can't suggest for a split second that you copy my trades. No, because you don't understand what I understand. You don't know why I buy it. You don't have my sentiment. You don't know, you won't hold the stocks the way I will. You won't sell them when I sell them. But anyway, do you agree that Elon went to Israel? Why? I don't know. No idea. Yes, don't blindly follow anyone. I listen to Martyn's info and do my own research before investing. Yes. All the stocks, Riot and Mara, are good buys for the guy that asked you what to buy. GME is dead. Right. Okay, folks, we've come to the end of the show. It's time for our world premiere. It's another review of another stock. So if you want to learn now, it was, who was his name? Zygmunt. If you want to learn about an investment now is your opportunity. I'm now going to share with you my latest review. This is study, this is work, this is research, and so on. That's what's about to happen now. We're going to go to a world premiere, and you can join in and you can see what we're investing in, or at least what's available. Every day I try to review a stock. If you're one of my members, I'll review your favorite stock. So here we go. The show's about to end. This is the review tonight. We've already got people waiting to see it. Look. We've got people liked already, and we've got two Where does it say it? Oh, 2 waiting in the green room. Look, there we go. This review starts in a couple of minutes' time. I'm going to give everyone the review. Now, the purpose of this is everyone can continue to chat in the live chat, and we can ask questions, and it's all part of building up for the 24-hour stream that we're going to get, where you can always have someone to talk to, and so on and so forth. So we're going to go there in a second. Let me just make sure that I've got the settings right, because I've been really quick to get this done. Live chat replay, only the subscribers and members can chat. Any duration, yes, right. It's done in all the languages now. Yes, it's done in 14 languages for everybody, and the end screen is done. Yes, thank you very much indeed for the follow. Let's have a little look. End screen, cards. Right, we've got 2 minutes to go. I'm just dropping in the link if you want to get Alpha Spread. Remember, my members get my membership for free if you use this in value if you use this code. Link. That's there. Just bear with me. It's only because the premiere starts in a couple of minutes. Okay. Okay, and then my channel. Wow, I love this. Been a great day, isn't it? Been a very active day. Virgin Galactic, it's holding. It's not going up or down in the after hours. And finally, X. I think I'm just going to do it in time. Thank you for your understanding. There we go. Investor. Okay. Okay, done. This video will take you directly there. My portfolio is up again today, consistently beating the market, consistently beating Warren Buffett. There we go. The Roth IRA is just down, but we're at 60,752. Smashed it. Absolutely fantastic. We were at, what's it, 48, wasn't it? Like 50,000, was it? Like 2 weeks ago? Pretty mental, right? Anyway. Okay. It's showtime. The premiere will start in a second. Let me roll the credits. Let's get out of here. And I'll share with you the screen so you can see when the you know what I mean. The countdown timer starts. I've given everyone the link. Let me roll the credits. Let me thank the stars of the show. Here we go. The stars of today's show. I might not be able to roll the credits. We've got some people trying to troll it at the moment. As you can see, all these followers on Twitch. I'd like to say they're real, but they're not. Someone's playing silly buggers and thinks it's funny. Nothing funny about it. It's just silly. You're just spoiling it for sensible, grown-up people that want to have their name recognized. But I just keep deleting it, keep reporting it, and they just got to keep creating new accounts forever and ever and ever. Seems a bit of a waste of time, really. I'd rather be working and making money, but somebody thinks it's funny to constantly create millions of accounts. How hard work is that? For what? For what purpose? Pointless. We'll just give it a couple of seconds. They're not even real names. It's just silly. Shooby-dooby-dooby-doo-doo. And if you actually look the way it's been typed as well, if you look closely, actually look, it's someone banging on the same keys in the center. It's just a very lazy person who's got no life. No, it's not subscribers. They're not bots either. It's some people think they're funny. These are the subscribers: Zigman867, Alandra, Morials, and Paul. Thank you very much indeed for your support. We didn't get any super chats today, so we'll leave that where it is. And the premiere is about to start. These are the bots on the system that Elon said. No, it's no bots at all. It's just I get some silly people that think it's funny to try to get in on the fun of the show. I don't know why. Right, that's it from me. Thank you very much indeed. We're out of here. I will see you all back for the premiere right now in 1 minute 20 seconds. Do come and join me, or I'll be back first thing in the morning. More news, more information. We've got the Virgin Galactic chart information coming out very, very soon as well. Sensei provided me some great information. It's a weird hobby. I know, mate. That's it. Join me now for the premiere. See you back right there. Continue the chat. Come and join me. Learn about a new company. Until then, as always, take care of your money, yourselves, your crypto, and each other.